Hello children, welcome again to my mathematics class. Today we will learn our new topic about capacity. In previous class you had learned about capacity, that what are the things whose capacity are measured. You know, liquid things are the things whose capacity are measured, like oil, water, milk, petrol and such liquid things which are measured by capacity. You have learned the units of capacity also, that is liter and milliliter. So standard unit of capacity is liter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and the biggest unit of capacity is kiloliter and the smallest unit is milliliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So these are the things which you have studied in your previous classes. Now in this class you will learn about the conversion of different units of capacity, that is liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter. So learn these things by watching and practice the questions based on this chapter. Now see here the page of your book, in which the first page it is mentioned that you remember milliliter and liters are the units of capacity, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now also you know standard unit of capacity is liter. So here question is given, name 5 things which are sold by measuring capacity. Just now I have told you what are the things which are sold by measuring capacity. That is, when you go to a shop, then you buy things by measuring their capacity, like milk, petrol, medicine, oil, ink, juice, cold drink and many such things. So now I told you 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter and the biggest unit of capacity is kiloliter. So these are the things you must remember. Now the conversions. Converting bigger unit into smaller unit. Converting liters into milliliter first of all. So the same process is there that you have learnt in length and weight chapter. That is to multiply by the smaller unit, that is milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we will multiply 1000 milliliter to the number which is to be converted. Like here 6 liters is equal to 6 multiply 1000 milliliter, we get here 6000 milliliter. Same way 15 liters, when multiplied by 1000 we get 15000 milliliter. 32 liters, when multiplied by 1000 we get here 32000 liters. So this is the way to convert liter into milliliters. But when it is given liter and milliliter both, then how we will convert it into milliliter? We will change the liter into milliliter first, and then we will add the milliliter to the milliliter, and we get the total milliliters in number. So this is the way for converting bigger unit of capacity into smaller unit of capacity. Now we will learn converting smaller unit into bigger unit. How we will do this? Now see here, when we have to convert milliliter into liters, what we will do, we know 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 5000 milliliter when divided by 1000, we use the opposite operation of multiplication, that is division. We divide it by 1000 and we get here 5 liter. Same way 37,000 milliliter, when divided by 1000 we get here 37 liters. 72,000 milliliter, when divided by 1000 we get here 72 liters. So this is the simple question. Now if we have a question like 3972 milliliters, then what we have to do? Here we see that 3972 when divided by 1000 we get here 3 liters as quotient and 972 milliliter as remainder. So we get here 3 liter and 972 milliliters. There are two steps. Two is of finding this. When we divide it orally, we see here 3 zeros in divisor, then we count 3 numbers in the dividend from the back side and write it as a remainder, and the remaining part will be the quotient. So here 3 digits are 972, so this will be written in milliliter, and 3 is the quotient, so this will be written in the liter. And another way is separating 3000, expanding this 3000 plus 972, then 3000 milliliter will be equal to 3 liter and 972 remaining part will be written as milliliter. So you can solve this in any way. Just for example, we can take some more examples from the worksheet. See here, we have taken here 91,313 milliliter. When we divide it by 1000, we get here 91 liter and 330 milliliter. By division method, you see here we get the quotient 91 and remainder 313. So quotient is written in liter and remainder is written in milliliter. So this is the way to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So children, practice these type of questions and learn to convert different units of capacity. So bye now. This is all. Have fun and practice these things. Thank you.